Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at some of the apps that you can find within Canva. Don't be afraid to explore the apps. There some pretty good ones in there. Today I'm going to look at the Paintify and the Sketchify apps. I did want to show you Cartoonify, but I ran out of credits on that one. So we'll just pop into Paintify, choose the size of the document that you want. And I'm just going to start off by choosing one of my t-shirt designs and see what Paintify can do to that. Oh, it's done me a really cute little design. Just a single boot with the flowers in it, but kept the t-shirt image. So that's great. Maybe we should compare that with the original image. So here is the original image. Oh no, sorry, this is the Cartoonify version. Must have saved it for me, and now I'll show you the original. So this is the original. That's a mock-up from my website. So this is great because you can use this for different social media, like to have a bit of fun. Um, they all have their little quirk on it, but use it as a background for some advertising or something like that. Great. So now we will try a photo. Let's upload a photo of me running and see how it goes with Paintify. Just remember this is AI, so it can get things wrong, like this image of me running. Clearly, that's me running along the street. Amazing. Let's compare that one to the original. Even the Cartoonify managed to get it correct. But popping in the original, you can see what Paintify has done. AI is still working itself out. So now let's go back and we will try out Sketchify. Just need to go along and find it. I could scroll back the whole way down, but maybe it's just better if I just type it in. Yeah, I'll type it in. This one more looks like a bit of a filter that is just put on the original photo rather than regenerating it. Maybe we'll try out my photo of my t-shirt, a mock-up of my t-shirt. So this again could be an effective piece of like promotional content for your business. But you could just have a bit of fun, like I am with my picture of me running. You could print that out, stick it on your refrigerator, on your wall. I really enjoyed looking at all these different apps. Do remember that they do have kind of like a limited amount that you can do per day. Um, you get a certain amount of credits. I'm not sure how many there are, but just have a little play around and see. Finally, I think we'll have a little look at the Pixelfy. Let's just pixelify the photo of me running, see how we go. So it comes out and you can choose how pixelated you want the photo to be, from clear all the way down to a piece of art looking pixel. So I think about 8 to 10 is kind of like the quite grainy pixelated, but you can still tell it's a photo. I'm interested to hear what apps you use in Canva. If you could type in the comments below what you use, or if you have any tips for any of the apps that I tried out today, that would be much appreciated. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.